Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how you can hit the price scale on TradingView. So guys, this is simple step you need to do. Just open your TradingView chart, for example Bitcoin and dollar charts. I'm in this frame, for example daily frame. What you have to do guys, just click the setting icon as you can see here and go to canvas, this icon, and go to text. You find this text as you can see here guys. What you have to do guys, from here select the text, select the minimum text as you can see here, and select this color and gradient this to 0%. Just click OK. You will hit the price scale guys. So this is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget subscribe, like, share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon guys. Keep watching and see you on another video soon.